Big Hearted Breeders Annual Retreat is an all-inclusive breeder retreat hosted in the stunning Utah mountains. For 2 transformative days, you will discover proven strategies for a profitable breeding business and ensure the best care for your pets. We understand that simply attending a conference is not enough. That's why our summit is hands-on, interactive training experience. You'll not only hear from experts, but actively engage with them, gaining practical insights and actionable strategies that you can implement immediately. You'll increase sales, gain time freedom, enhance dog care, learn best practices that lead to healthier, better adjusted puppies, and ultimately happier families. So come join us and invest in your success.